Guys, it's Crafty Girl, and today we're going to do a squishy haul. Let's get on to this video. Woo! Woo! So our first ones are, and one more. Ta-da! So we have if you don't know what this is an angel food cake, and it's basically like this cake. And it smells really good. But that's the first one. And then this other one, it's a pineapple, and it's really squishy. I think most of you know what a pineapple is. And my next two, some mini panda buns. So the first one is a green mini panda bun with a red bow. And my next one is a pink panda bun with a red bow. And my next two. So my next two is another mini panda bun. It's just a regular panda face with an orangish brownish background. This one's really squishy. And then there's a strawberry. I love this one. It is so squishy. So really big and pink strawberry. So my next two. So it's this really squishy donut and really slow rising. And then this is my last mini panda bun. It's the orangish brown face with a tongue sticking out. So I have another two donuts. This one's a green one. And this one's more dense, and it's a yellow one. Okay, so this one's a special one. This is just a mashem. It's like a squishy, but it's like a water toy. So I'll show you that after this one. This is a jumbo panda bun, just a white jumbo panda bun with a red bow. So this one's also really squishy and slow rising. And then this is the mashem, and it is Woody off of Toy Story. And our next two. So I have another mashem, and I have a little strawberry shortcake. And this one's not as slow rising, but it's still really squishy. And then this is my last mashem, and it is a Care Bear. It's the little Love Care Bear. It's really squishy. So that's all for today's video. Make sure to subscribe down below, turn on those bell post notifications. Make sure to turn those post bell notifications on, give this video a big thumb up, and comment down below what you want to see more of on my channel. Bye!